All right, guys, UPS man just came. I was in the backyard working on the 2J. I was taking the transmission off, and he delivered an amazing package. And I'm just gonna go ahead and put this box on the table and reveal to y'all what turbo I'm actually gonna be running on the 2J S14. All right, guys, so it's the moment that I've been waiting for personally. Here we go. It's more than one, guys. Twin TPs, guys. What? All right, guys, so today got a package in from Titan Motorsports. They had a open box special that I could not resist buying. And it is a Precision Generation 2 6266 ball bearing turbo. So although this is an unboxing, I guess it was unboxed previously by somebody else, but it should be packaged up the same way. Here we go. Stickers. Gotta have some stickers. Got the paperwork on it. Oh, and I like when they do this. They basically have a little styrofoam packing inside of it. I'll actually let y'all see in the box. Oh yeah. There she goes. 6266 ball bearing turbo. Let me set this camera up in a different spot. And although they said it was an open box, it really didn't look like it was too open. It still has the precision tape on it. Let's see, yeah. But anyhow, I saw that the one of the head guys at Titan Motorsports was listing some stock up on Facebook Marketplace, which is odd for me to see because I live inside of North Carolina and they're in Florida. I was just searching around and I fell to this deal right here. Hopefully everything's great with it. I know Titan Motorsports is a good company. They did have that one thing when they wrecked that dude's Audi and gave them a lot of bad publicity, but seems like the shop is good in every other aspect. So packaging wise, it seemed like it was done pretty daggone good. There she is. Gonna give some little details about this turbo. It is a dual ball bearing turbo. It's rated at 800 horsepower. I've seen a few people put down like in the 700s to the wheels with one. But really, I've just got it to try to fulfill my 550 on pump gas, maybe bump it up a little bit more than that on E85. Wanted it something that's somewhat reliable still, so. Do think it was an open box now though. It seems like there's a little bit of surface flaws on her. But also picked up from a buddy, show you close up. See if we can get her to focus in the right way. Some ID 1050X injectors. They were actually previously ran on one of my friend's cars. Y'all probably seen me post about videos about him before. JW350Z on Instagram. There's his Instagram right there. He has a 2J 350Z. So these, in combination with that and all the other mods I got, should bring me up to my goal horsepower, and hopefully we get that done soon. But there we go, the unveiling of the turbo. This is your average 3-fold wallet. I have pretty big hands, so I think that would be a better indentation. You know, a credit card size would be about right here. So she's pretty hefty in size. I like it. No complaints.